Okie dokie, so this is just a quick demo of the bed. As you can see, it's set up. All you need to do is a smaller table here that you've got. You need to bend the leg at the little point, which is just on the side there. As you can see, bend that leg, and then using the little connector points there, that'll allow you to connect onto the side, and that creates the first base of the bed. At the back here, if I remove this cushion, you can see that you've got your second table. Which is just here. This is the exact same as the other one, in the fact that it's got two legs on each side. And as you can see, you just click that little button on the inside, which allows the part of the leg to fold down on each side, and that becomes the lower base of the bed. And then using the cushions as I've shown you, fit them in with the other one here, and then you've got a complete bed.